Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can do sign-on glass in-person form completion with sign-on glass. So what do I mean by that? It means like if you're a gym or a orthodontics, dentist, one of these places where you can actually have people walk in off the street and ask for an appointment, or if you're a gym and you have classes and people just coming in wanting to join a class, you might have mandatory forms that you use as waivers or intake forms and these types of things, and you don't have the connection to the CRM. So what this does is it makes all of that possible. So we use GHL admin to achieve this, and what we do is we go to our displays. So what we do is we create a new display, and again, this is designed to sit on a tablet. So let's just say I've got my tablet, which I'm just going to use my phone for this demonstration. And what I want to do is I want to get a tripod or something like that, and I want to have it sitting so that people can come in and they can start typing their name and details and agreeing to the terms and conditions before they move through the line into whatever we want them to do, right? So a really good example is gym customers. So this is just going to be standard waiver, okay? And what I'm going to do is I've got some forms that I need to apply here, right? So I'm going to create a form, and I'm going to create this form, and I'm going to do it just as a basic kind of contact form. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it conversational, right? So what do I mean by that? So we have a process in which the form is just one question after another. And then once I get down to I want to basically just get to signature. So I'm going to just drag that in. I'm not going to ask for email there. And I may ask for phone number, right? So I want to be able to identify them uniquely. So I'm going to ask for the phone number. We're not going to ask for a message. I'm going to drag phone here. So first name, and then so signature is going to kind of be the last thing that we ask for. So let's just have a preview of this. So what's your name? What's your phone number? And of course, what's your last name? And then sign, and then send message, right? Now, so what I want to do is I want to take that and I want to put it onto a display. So let me just make sure I've got the right one. So that one I just created, I'm just going to get it. This is a standard waiver. So I'm good with that. We're going to go back to our form, and again, here's my display standard waiver. And so what happens now is I can get a QR code, right? So I'm going to grab that QR code, and then immediately what it does is it just opens up on the device what form you want the person to fill out. So they come in, imagine this is kind of like a full screen situation, okay? And then we're going to tap, and we're going to start filling out. So, my name's Ryan, and we go, okay, phone number, okay, last name, and then okay. And then of course we have our signature field, and so we want to sign on the glass and hit send message. Now what happens is that once that has been signed, it resets automatically. So you can see the countdown up timer, 3, 2, 1, ready to go again. So now the next person is going to start signing. Now, obviously I just held my phone up to do that. So I can show you a preview of what that looks like on the screen here. So we're ready to go with our standard waiver. And so imagine a line of people, first person on the front of the line, Ryan, and 04, rah, 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 and then go okay, last name, sign, send. I move into the class, I move to the appointment, I move away. You don't want people passing devices back or saying I've not cleared it or whatever. Now the next person is ready to go. One more cool feature here is that if you do multiple classes or different types of things, staff members, terms and conditions, we can show different forms by just updating the server, right? So if I flick from the standard waiver to the contact form, now the screen is automatically going to show the other form, right? So you don't need to go to the device and change the form. The other thing that we can do is we can do this on a schedule. So I could have, the first class that happens at 9 a.m. is just a standard set of terms and conditions. And then I have rock climbing, next, right? Which has a completely different waiver. There's a minimum age that they need to agree that they've been, approved by their parents. So it's like I have a school coming in, they need to sign a certain number of terms and conditions, as opposed to what happened. Now, I don't want to have to worry about, do I need to change what's appearing on the device at the time that these things are on? So that's why we do like a schedule. So we add the time window and we say, well, I'm going to show the contact form from 9 till 12. And then from 12 till, whatever, I'm going to say from 2, this is the schools. We're going to say this is actually personal training, right? So the standard contact form and then personal training. And so we're good to do that. So we can just say welcome to our gym or something like this. The default form, of course, is just whatever it is. And so now, yeah, I can have these time windows showing different forms when they need to be. No need to go and have to update all of that. So what this really empowers businesses that have foot traffic, it's also attaching these agreements and things to the contact record in the attached sub account. So it is linking directly to the contact record in the sub account if they're using their phone number, for instance. You could, of course, use email if you wanted to, but it just means that I don't need to go and touch the tablets that are sitting there, probably plugged into power, kind of 24/7, sitting in those cradles. And so we've got some gym customers that use this, and they absolutely love them. And if you do have people in these types of industries, then I hope that you find it super interesting and valuable as something that you can offer them, which is, fairly unique, or maybe they're using a third-party provider and you can offer them more value. Thanks.